Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, we are in mid of fall season and snowfall is almost about to begin. And a lot of you have already planned or might have done your winter tire switch back to your car. Okay. Now, many of you do it yourself and many go to dealers and other mechanics too. But one thing you must do, and sometimes people ignore it, and we do see accidents. So make sure you don't avoid this. That is retorque. So what is retorque? You need to understand. So retorque is like retorquing the lug nuts of your car wheels so that they still hold tight. And this is done typically after driving 100 kilometers or whatever your car manufacturer uh, says. Okay. So like you need to read the manual and you should follow it. Now why it is required? Because when a wheel is switched, okay, with the initial drive they settle. Okay, so 100 kilometer is the recommended range where it settles, and then if you retorque, then it keeps your vehicle secured, and there's a very less risk of it coming out. And if you over torque it or if you over tighten it, this can even do damage. So that's why it has to be done professionally and as per the recommendations. If you're doing at a good service center, they write in their receipts that you have to come back after these many kilometers, and mostly it's free. Like where I go, I just go for retorque and they do it for free. Okay, and it does ensure proper security. Okay, so because of this the wheels remain securely attached to the hub, and it can handle all the vibrations and other things that happen, and it also prevents dangerous failures. Okay, and any detachment from the vehicle while driving, that's going to be a crazy accident if it happens. And if you have over tightened it, it could cause you very costly damage. And also, like, properly torquing means proper performance. You don't want to lose a lot of money on gas, right? So that's what I would say. So read what is written in your car manufacturer. For me, it's 100 kilometers. So I always go around 100 kilometers back to my dealership and get retorquing done. That is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.